Friends, in this video we are discussing 20 MCQ of toxicology. This is set 5 of 100 MCQ series of toxicology. Please like and subscribe our channel for more video updates. Question number 1 is, who is the most likely to exhibit toxic effect of environmental tobacco smoke? Who is the most likely to exhibit toxic effect of environmental tobacco smoke? A person with asthma. Option A is that a person with asthma most likely to exhibit toxic effect of environmental tobacco smoke. Option A is right. Next question is, which of the following pneumocide clears the particle deposit in the lungs? Which of the following pneumocide clears the particles deposited in the lungs? Alveolar macrophages. Option E is right. Alveolar macrophages pneumocide clears the particles deposited in the lungs. Option E is right. Question number 3 is, emphysema is an inflammatory tissue damage which can be caused by toxicant. Which organ is affected in case of emphysema? Emphysema is an inflammatory tissue damage. Which organ is affected in the case of emphysema? Option C, lungs. Lungs is affected by the emphysema disease. Option C is right, lungs. Question number 4 is, which protein is mainly damaged in emphysema? Which protein is mainly damaged in emphysema? Elastin. Option B is right. Elastin protein is mainly damaged in emphysema. Option B is right, elastin. Question number 5 is, cigarette smoking is the main cause of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Which is a combination of following elements? Cigarette smoking is the main cause of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, which is a combination of following elements. Option A is right, emphysema, chronic bronchitis, and asthma. Option A is right, emphysema, chronic bronchitis, and asthma is combination. Question number 6 is, which of the following statement is true? Which of the following statement is true? Option A is, light cigarettes are safer than the regular ones. B is, electronic cigarettes are less harmful to the lungs and hearts. Option C is, filtered cigarettes are safer than the non-filtered cigarettes. Option D, herbal cigarettes are natural, hence harmless. Option E, none of these. Option E is right, none of these are true. Option E is right, all are harmful for humans. Question number 7 is, what does PM10 indicates? What does PM10 indicates? PM10 indicates size of inhalants particles enough to reach and be deposited in a alveoli. Option B is right. Size of inhalant particle enough to reach and be deposited in the alveoli. Option B is right. Question number 8 is, a plenty of free radicals and oxidant are released with cigarettes smoke. What does these oxidative species actually do to the lungs? A plenty of free radical and oxidant are released with cigarette smoke. What does these oxidative species actually do to the lungs? Option D is right. They can damage cellular micromolecule like DNA, protein, and lipids, and exert severe cellular damage, leading to several diseases. Option D is right. They can damage cellular micromolecule like DNA, protein, and lipids, and exert severe cellular damage, leading to several disease. Next question is, four of the following are the source of hazard and one is a hazard. Which one is hazard? Metal fumes. Metal fumes is a hazard, and asbestos mining, chemical factories, cigarettes, automobiles are source of hazard. Option D is right. Next question is, which of the following is not helpful in determining the dose of a toxic substance? Which of the following is not helpful in determining the dose of a toxic substance? Is origin of toxicant. Option C is right. Origin of substance, sorry, origin of toxicant is not helpful in determining the dose of a toxic substance. Question number 11 is following are the normal functions of the metal in the body except calcium in bone formation, phosphorus in ATP, iron in hemoglobin, magnesium in enzyme function are normal function, but lithium in sodium channels activities is not a normal function because lithium is used as a medicine in mental condition. So lithium in sodium channel activity is not a normal function. Option D is right. Question number 12 is what are the effects of cellular hypoxia in case of carbon monoxide poisoning? What are the effects of cellular hypoxia in case of carbon monoxide poisoning? Brain damage and cardiac dysrhythmia are the effects. Brain damage and cardiac dysrhythmia. Option C is right. Question number 13 is why activated charcoal is administered in case of oral poisoning? Why activated charcoal is administered in case of oral poisoning? Because it reduces absorption of toxicant by absorbing them. It reduces absorption of toxicant by absorbing them. Option E is right. Question number 14 is which of the following is associated with acetaminophen toxicity? Which of the following is associated with acetaminophen toxicity? Option B is right. N-acetyl P-benzoquinone imine. N-acetyl P-benzoquinone imine is associated with acetaminophen toxicity. Question number 15 is who is the most susceptible to hepatotoxicity by high doses of acetaminophen paracetamol? Who is the most susceptible to hepatotoxicity by high dose of acetaminophen? A person who is alcoholic. An alcoholic. Option D is right. An alcoholic is most susceptible to hepatotoxicity. Question number 16 is what kind of toxicity does ammonia causes? What kind of toxicity does ammonia causes? Ammonia causes tissue corrosion. Option B is right. Tissue corrosion. Option B is right. Ammonia causes tissue corrosion. Next question is which one of the arsenic compound causes hemolysis? Which one of the arsenic compound causes hemolysis? Option E is right. Arsine. ASH3. Arsenic compound causes hemolysis. Option E is right. Question number 18 is asbestos is a group of natural occurring silicate which includes asbestos is a group of natural occurring silicate which includes chrysotile and anthophyllite, amosite and actinolite, crocidolite, tremolite. All of these. Option E is right. Chrysotile and anthophyllite, amosite, actinolite, crocidolite, tremolite. All of these included in asbestos group, natural occurring silicates. Question number 19 is sodium azide NaN3 which is used in car airbag as preservative in laboratory has a mechanism of toxicity similar to sodium azide has a mechanism of toxicity similar to cyanide. Option B is right. Cyanide. Option B is right. Question number 20 is the last question of this set. If you found this video is helpful for you, please like the video, share with your friends, and please subscribe our channel. Question is botulinum toxin causes death. Why? Botulinum toxin causes death. Why? Respiratory failure. Because botulinum causes paralysis of respiratory muscles. So due to respiratory failure, it causes death. Option C is right. Botulinum toxin causes death by respiratory failure. Option C is right. Thank you for watching this video.